welcome. We're here at Universal Studios Hollywood for
Mega Movie Summer.
That's right. We're here to celebrate Fast and Furious. They actually have their 25th anniversary, so the park has a special stage show and special food, which we'll show you here in just a bit. There's also
Minions and Monsters.
That's right. The Minions have a special meet and greet where you can meet some of the stars from the movie.
Yep.
And
merch and food.
And Christopher Nolan's, is it Christopher Nolan's The Odyssey?
Yeah, The Odyssey.
Marilyn Monroe just showed up.
Little
Look at
walk
that.
by there.
You meet the celebrities at Universal Studios. So come with us. It should be a fun day out here in the Southern California sun. Anything can happen. Hey, nice life preserver, McFly.
Coast Guard. You thought you were.
So as part of the 25th anniversary of the Fast and the Furious, they have this stage set up here in the plaza. And every once in a while they'll have these dancers that come out and do a routine. And they also have these picture cars. Here's a car from the Too Fast, Too Furious movie that brought in Tyrese in lieu of Vin Diesel. Here's a Mazda RX-7 FD, also from Too Fast, Too Furious. Erin once again looking beautiful, holding a second camera, Camera B. She's got it going on over here, taking some video. Got a little photo op. We got a little Jenny set up. Actually, no, I apologize. I just lost my cred. It's an air compressor. It's ready to like inflate some tires. We got Toretto's Custom Tuning and Repair. And this was actually seen in Fate of the Furious, Fast 8. As you can see there, we have some of the cars from Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift, the new roller coaster opening up very soon. And right here they have this cool mural. Here we have a 1970 Dodge Charger. It's always Dom's Charger, usually in the movies. It's actually his father's. The father built it. So at some point when this ride actually opens, I think this shop is going to be full of much more merch, specifically about the ride. Right now, though, we got the 25th anniversary merch. We've got a bunch of other Universal properties, IP merchandise, and it's got kick-ass air conditioning in here, which I'm not mad at on this hot day. Another car here from the Fast and Furious movies. This one's from, I don't know what movie this one's from, but it looks like it sustained some damage over here in Krusty Land. And I just wanted to take a moment and address a rumor that is going around the interwebs. Apparently, there is this rumor that for Halloween Horror Nights this year, Springfield or The Simpsons in general, in some way, will be a part of it. Now, I don't know if it's true. Again, just rumor mill. But how cool would that be to get the Treehouse of Horrors in Halloween Horror Nights? I was just talking about the Treehouse of Horror. And now we have a cool billboard here with a little bit of an advertisement for it. And let's do some Roman numeral conversion. How about that? So this is 10, 20, 30, 35, 36. There have been 36 Treehouse of Horror episodes. That's amazing. I think I might have seen all of them. Behind me, you'll see some of the stars from the upcoming Minions and Monsters movie from Illumination. I think DreamWorks is part of it. Obviously here at Universal. We have some of the Minions and one of the monsters that they end up spawning as part of the plot of the film.
All right, we're heading down to go to the studio tour.
That's right. We're going to go check out the Longship from the Odyssey.
I'm excited.
And the reason I shared that video is the paper had been filming its entire first season inside the stages that we're passing by on the right. 16 walk around some of our backlot sets with some of our VIP tour guides. We're not going to be getting off the tram.
I like films that just take you away from...
Going back to 1923, they built some sets here to shoot the original silent version of The Hunchback of Notre Dame with Lon Chaney. Some of those sets still stand on our backlot. We're going to be driving through them today. So today you have a good opportunity. Whoa, whoa! It's an earthquake! Hold on! to reset. So when we leave the building, the train goes backwards into the tunnel, the ceiling collapse goes back up to the original position. They don't want us to reopen the beach because there's another shark still lurking out there. We haven't captured that one, and it's bigger than the one that we already caught. Oh, no, no. Hey! You gotta get out of the water if the beach is closed. There's another shark. Are you all right? Oh. The shark ate him. Yay! Oh! It's underwater. I don't see it. It's right next to us. Oh!
It's coming, it's coming. Go, go, go.
Uh-oh. Wait a minute. There we go.
For the Odyssey, we wanted to take audiences on Odysseus' incredible journey across the world, across this mythical world of adventure. And to do that, we shot on IMAX film all around the world in incredible locations to really try and take audiences on this incredible thrill ride.
The Odyssey in theaters July 17.
Christopher Nolan shot almost all of the Odyssey on fantastic locations around the world, including Scotland, Morocco, and Iceland. Matt Damon and the crew joked that they would have had an easier time filming here in the controlled environment of our studio lot, only to find out that with the 2 jet engines blasting water at them, they were just as cold and wet being on the ship here at Falls Lake than they were on the real ocean. And we can't wait for you to see Christopher Nolan's The Odyssey, shot with IMAX cameras in theaters starting July 17th.
All right, so we just got off of the Universal Studios tour. I really enjoyed it. What'd you think?
Yeah, it was a good tour today. I was surprised. For a while, I thought that King Kong was out, but like the on-tour experience, it was gone. That you wouldn't go through it. But they actually brought it back, and they brought it back in 2D instead of 3D.
Yeah.
And I think that's fantastic, because that 3D that they use here sometimes gives me a headache. So this was great.
Yes.
Earthquake is also here. What did you think of Earthquake?
I loved Earthquake. I was on the left side, got a great look at it.
Yeah.
The water effect they had at the other place where it comes down the hill, that was really fun. We got to see a ton of like studio houses too, and
Yeah.
it was a really fun tour.
Yeah, a lot of really cool things to see, and a lot of activity on the lot. There were a lot of cars out there. You could tell like they're building sets to use during the week and stuff like that. Kevin Williamson is actually on the lot today. His spot was occupied by a car when they were talking about it. He was the writer-director of the latest Scream movie, but writer of the original Scream movie directed by Wes Craven.
And they were filming The Voice. They had a studio audience there,
they had all
having
the
lunch.
audience for
like,
The Voice. That's
it's
right.
a fun tour.
Yeah, this is a good one today. One of the things that I'm shocked that they did for the 25th anniversary of the Fast and the Furious is they have the Brian O'Connor tuna no crust meal, which he used to get at me and Dom's deli every day when he was on stakeout waiting for Dom to show up. Nobody likes the tuna in here. We're gonna see. Okay, so here we have it. Tuna, no crust, some barbecue seasoned fries, and then I couldn't resist. I had to get the orange cake because I'm a sucker for orange cake. Aaron once made me this really crazy good orange cake that I've never been able to find anything quite like it.
Birthday cake.
Yeah.
The Orange Monster.
The Orange Monster cake. I'll have to put a picture in the video. So truth be told, I've never actually had a tuna salad sandwich. I've had tuna sandwiches, never had a tuna melt. Just tuna sandwiches like you would normally make. This is tuna salad sandwich. I'm curious to try it. Is it as good as it looked in the movie? I don't know. I'm gonna actually start with this though. I know, it's anticlimactic. It's a fry, but it's got barbecue seasoning on it. It's a good steak fry. It's got the seasoned salt on it. Good. Now we will try the sandwich itself. No crust. It's actually pretty good. Little different than the sandwiches I usually make with tuna. This has like little celery bits in it and some other stuff, kind of, you know, zhuzhing up the flavor. But overall, it's very good. I am impressed. And no crust, you know, come on, like that's perfect. Now we're gonna try the orange cake. The orange is there. It's not quite as orange as I would prefer. When Aaron made my orange cake, it was just like so much orange it made your hair curl. Like it was just like, it was great. This is good, very refreshing. It's a tasty cake, kind of like an orange creamsicle, but a little light on the orange for my taste, still well worth the purchase. Well, I think that just about wraps up our afternoon here at Universal Studios Hollywood. Mega Movie Summer was
Awesome.
awesome. It's very fun. It's a cool event. What kind of things did we see?
We went on a tour. That was really fun.
The studio tour was excellent today. We saw the Longship from the Odyssey, which was really cool.
We did.
We saw the Minions and Monsters meet and greet.
Yeah, they're so cute. I want to
are.
see the movie. It looks really good.
July 1st. I know. I happen to know this for some reason. It's July 1st.
Oh, nice.
I don't know why. The 25th anniversary Fast and Furious food over at the Drive and Dine. The tuna, no crust.
They have some good-looking stuff. They had I forgot the name of the hot dog. It looked great. A lot of good-looking food there.
Yeah, for sure. And then we also...
We saw some of their cars.
Yes,
we went
we
to
saw the
merch
picture
shop.
cars. Yeah, the roller coaster's looking great. It's almost ready to go. I don't know when it's going to happen,
Another
but
month or two?
maybe. It's going to be fun.
And how long does this event run for?
August 9th is when it ends. And today is June 13th, the opening day. So yeah, so June 13th through August 9th. So
You should
get
check
here.
it out.
It's fun. It's another cool thing to do at Universal Studios Hollywood.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching.
Yep.